Horse Program is weekly update. Welcome back to the 12th episode and the 12th week of my journey becoming a .NET developer. I am your horse programmer, and today I bring you the version 2.0 of the Horse Quizzer quiz app. So I've been working pretty a lot on this one to add some required features for the assignment. And let's look at what I've made. So here we have the Horse Quizzer 2.0, and I just started with a default question pack here. And so one of the features that I added is now we have the ability to import questions. And the way we do this is we connect to the I must fix this. You can't even see what it says here. I'll make a note of that. But you import questions from Open Trivia Database, which is an API where you can where people have made questions, and so we take advantage of that for our app, and we don't need to write any questions ourselves anymore if we don't want to. So this connects to the API and tries to get questions from some of these categories, which are loaded also from this API. You can choose the difficulty on the questions and how many you want to download each time. So when you do this, you can get some errors, which we need to handle somehow. So for instance, if we try to download 20 hard celebrity questions, let's see what happens. And we have a bug. See you in a while. And we're back. I worked with this bug yesterday, and I didn't do it all the way through. So in case you're interested, how this dialog window handles if it should import questions or not is by its subscription to an event that triggers when you press the button. But the problem is if you don't unsubscribe from the event, which I fixed yesterday on whenever you press the import button, it will try to run the method of the dialog that the dialog before that subscribed to the event. So, but I forgot to add one when you press the cancel button. So I'm pretty happy I didn't have to sit an hour with that one right now. But okay, let's try it again. Where were we? So we are gonna try and import some celebrity questions right now. And as you can see, we get an error message saying that the API doesn't have enough questions for this query. So we ask for 20 questions in a category that doesn't have 20 questions of that kind. So I've added some feedback here from whatever error messages you get from the API. Let's try and import one hard general knowledge question. And now we can see we returned the results successfully. And here we have it, a question. We can also get some other errors if we import and it works well. We try to import again. And now we have made some too many requests. We have to wait 5 seconds, I think, between each query to the API. So now it should work again. Right now I'm also switching off my Wi-Fi, and let's try to do this again. And we get an error saying we have no connection to host, and probably this is because our internet connection isn't working. So let's put on the Wi-Fi again. And Ah. All right, we're back again. So yeah, I'm pretty happy I made this video before turning the assignment in. So what happened now was that I was trying to make this as as synchronous as possible, and I have like a method to check if there is a connection to the host or whatever, and so trying to make it a little bit more asynchronous than this, because when we try to import questions, this will connect and see if there is a connection, and if there isn't, it will show the error message. So I started this task, and then I awaited it down here, so at least we could make the new dialog import questions dialog window before we started waiting here. But since this one, when we don't have an internet connection, goes right over here, it just makes a new dialog window that subscribes to the event that I was debugged before, and we never show this dialog, so we don't tell it to unsubscribe from that event. So that's that. Okay, let's see what other bugs we can find during this video. But I think I've shown you like most of the error messages that you will typically see. So let's try and play the quiz, because that's also a new feature. I'm thinking we turn the time limit to 10 seconds, and this one also needs to wrap. So as you can see, this isn't tested enough yet. We're testing as we go, and well, I'm still learning. 10 seconds. So now we have the play mode working. We also have a full screen mode. Let's look at the play mode. So we have a countdown right over here with the selected time limit for the quiz, and Donald Trump's name. Oh. I'll be back in a second. Okay. So we found another bug. That's good. Yeah. I fixed it. it should work now. And yeah, let's try and play again. I changed this to 5 seconds now, and so when it reaches 0, it says that it didn't get an answer, and it shows the right answer. And we can also click answers, of course. Let's see, what is the Italian word for tomato? This one is right, I think. Yep. And 10. So we also get feedback that we got the wrong answer, but it shows the correct answer. We got a little result view here with some feedback. It tells us that we didn't do a good job. So let's try it again. I don't remember, was it 100? No, it was 5. Carrie rides a truck, me at this. Okay. This one I know. This is a really good demo. Okay. Me at the zoo was the right one. Was it 4? Yes. Pomodoro. 5. All right, 100%. And let's see, very impressive. We get the message. Phew. Yeah, that's the things. So now we have an pretty much working app. I'm glad I found those bugs and we're able to fix them. And let's see. I think I've shown you everything right now. I could show you the full screen as well. So it's on, what's it? Alt enter. We can go to full screen. I'm back. And that's the app. And it works better now than before. Yeah. Cancel. Import. Yes, it works. And the playing mode when you don't submit an answer does work. All right, goody. Yep. Now I will try to make the code look a little bit nicer before turning this assignment in. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry for all the bugs, but now you got to see some of the process, the horse programming process. Have a good weekend and see you next week. Bye.